Hello, this is the second of a series of 6 video explainers to introduce the Making It Safe workshop, which can be held in person or online. If you haven't watched the earlier video on Theme 1, the link is below. The Making It Safe workshop is a women-only workshop which I research and design. It brings women together to inspire strategies against sexual harassment. The full-day workshop explores 6 themes, which you can find in the notes below. This video explains Theme 2, Behaviors and Actions. In this thematic exploration, the question we ask is, when you're not feeling safe, what behaviors or actions, whether it's yours or others, make it safe for you? Here are some examples of actions women take to keep themselves safe. They walk faster. They avoid eye contact. They avoid a potential perpetrator like a pinball. They carry pepper spray, an umbrella, or an alarm. A couple of previous participants on this workshop say they sing. That keeps their voice box warmed up in case they need to shout for help. One woman sings motivational songs to herself, like Whitney Houston's The Greatest Love of All, so she can feel more confident when she's walking alone. Another woman talks audibly to herself to give off the vibe that she's obviously crazy. One woman has a policy about what she will or won't do with a prospective new male client. She only meets them in a public place, and she informs her team leader where she will be, who she will be with, and what time she is expected to finish her meeting. In these explorations about behavior and actions, we also ask, what actions could others take so you feel safe? Because the clearer we get about what actions others could take to make us feel safe, the easier it will be for us to ask for the kind of support we need when we are being harassed. Some examples from women of what others did to make it safe for them include accompanying them to the meeting with that prospective male client, asking at a bar with rowdy drunk men if they are okay, staying on the line until a woman gets home safely. Another example was a man using his body to shield a woman in a crowd from grabbing hands. In the workshop, we also do a fire drill for what action you could take if you weren't expecting the unwanted sexual attention or you were not ready for it. That way, when it's unexpected or sudden, you would already have done a drill for any action you could take immediately that will keep you safe. By the end of this thematic exploration, you will have even more actions and behaviors you can employ, especially in the moments when a man is harassing you and your brain has frozen from fear and shock. And by the end of the workshop, you will leave with more ideas and inspiration and more confidence for strategies you can adapt and adopt immediately for making places and relationships safe for yourself and others. To find out more about this women-only workshop, click on the link below. And if you want to be inspired to have more and better strategies against sexual harassment, register now before the early bird prize expires.